Welcome to Kurumi Cooks. Today I'm going to do another very interesting Japanese food items. It's called Ishiri Sauce. It's a very inky black sauce and it looks like soy sauce, but the flavor is very different. Not many people know about it. Even in Japan, it's very rare. Ishiri sauce is made from squid that's fermented in salt for 1 year or longer. When I say squid, I mean it's a squid intestine. I know that doesn't sound great, but believe me, think of Thai fish sauce nampula and with a stronger flavor. That is Ishiri sauce. Ishiri sauce is made in Noto region, which is in Ishikawa prefecture in Japan. Traditionally, Ishiri sauce is used as what Japanese call kakushiaji, which means a hidden flavor. It's used very tiny amount for sashimi or some fish dishes. I've used this Ishiri sauce for 2 recipes and I'm going to posting soon on YouTube and on my website kurumicooks.co.uk. You may be able to buy Ishiri sauce from Japanese supermarket if there is one near you. I bought this one from my local Japanese shop called Ataria in London. I've also listed some information about Ishiri sauce companies next page, so maybe you can contact them. That's my short introduction to Ishiri sauce. I hope you enjoyed it. Please try my Ishiri sauce recipes, and if you like umami flavor, I'm sure you can enjoy it. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.